Hi all, this is Regina Pastrano from Regina P Designs, and I'm just gonna show you this elevated granny stitch tutorial today. This is another stitch that I made up on my own. Trying to think how long ago it was. A while ago. I have a few different patterns made with this stitch in my Ravelry store, Regina P Designs on Ravelry. And you can download this PDF by joining my Facebook group, Regina P Designs Official Group, and you will find the PDF file located there in the Files section. And it's free to download. This is not a complete pattern. This does not show you how to make something in specific. It just gives you the recipe for this stitch so that you can adapt this stitch into whatever pattern you choose. So, that being said, I am going to get out my yarn. I'm going to go with, Red Heart Super Saver. And this is supposed to be bright yellow, but it doesn't look very bright on camera here. But it is, I promise. It's bright yellow. Alright. I'm going to get myself some yarn here. Maybe. Now, for this stitch, you can chain any multiple of 4. And then you add an additional 2 chains to the end. If you want to use a foundation single crochet row, the calculation is multiple of 4 plus 1. It's a simple 3-row repeat pattern after your initial starting rows. So it's pretty easy to do. I have an example here. If I can get it on screen. This is my baggy pullover. I love this thing, it's so comfy. But this is what the stitch looks like. And it's just a variation of your granny square stitch. It just ramps it up a little bit. It elevates it. That's where the name came from. Whoops, sorry about that. So to begin, I'm going to make my slip knot. And you can use any hook. I just grabbed my J that was sitting here. Okay, so multiples of 4 plus 2 chains added to the end. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm just going to do 20 for this little tutorial. I'm going to add 2, 1, 2. Row 1. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each stitch across. Your single crochet count in that row should equal your starting chain multiple of 4 plus 1. So you're just subtracting 1 from your starting chain. So single crochet, second chain from the hook, skip the first one, go into the second one, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Go in each stitch across. Okay, so once you end this, I'll catch back up with you. Okay, now I have 21 single crochets. And I'm going to chain 1, and that does not count as a stitch, and turn my work. I'm going to single crochet in the first stitch. It's that very first stitch, because your single crochet doesn't, or your chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to skip the next 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the next stitch, I'm going to put a single crochet. I'm going to do that all the way across. So I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to skip 3. Single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And single crochet. Sorry about that. So then you have these loops. Okay. For row 3, you're going to chain 2 and turn. Which actually you can do a chain 1 and half double crochet in that first stitch. Either way, it doesn't matter. Your chain 2 counts as your half double crochet. I mean, it's just up to you how you like to do the beginning of a half double crochet row, really. Okay, so then I turn. In this chain space, I'm going to place 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet. Okay, I'm going to do that in every space across. I apologize, I'm at an awkward angle here. Oh goodness. Okay, I'm going to do that all the way across, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, I'm at the end. Now the last thing you're going to do is put a half double crochet in that first single crochet of your previous row. Okay. Now row 4. And then chain 2, which is going to count as a single crochet and a chain 1. And you're going to turn. And then you're going to repeat this pattern. Single crochet in the chain space of the grouping in the previous row, and then chain 1. So, single crochet in the chain space of the grouping. Okay, that's that. And then I'm going to chain 1, single crochet. Whoop, what am I doing? Single crochet in there. That's the space in between the groupings. And chain 1. And then I'm going to go into the chain space of the grouping, single crochet, chain 1, go in between the 2 groupings, single crochet, and chain 1, in the space of the grouping, single crochet, chain 1, in between, single crochet, chain 1, in the chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, in between, single crochet, chain 1, in the space, single crochet, chain 1, and then single crochet to the top of your beginning chain 2 or half double crochet depending on what you chose to do there. Okay, that was row 4. Row 5, gonna chain 4 and turn, and that chain 4 is going to count as a single crochet and a chain 3. Then you're going to repeat a single crochet. Oops, hold on. Probably help if I read what I was doing. Single crochet between the groupings. So skip this one and go in this one. There we go. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You skip over the grouping and go in the single crochet between the groupings with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Got carried away. 3. Skip. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to skip over, and I'm going to single crochet in the first chain, because remember that was a single crochet in chain 1. So I'm going to go in the single crochet with a single crochet. Okay, and then basically what you've done is you've created your starting loops again, like you did down here. You just did that again up here. So you're going to start over, and you're going to repeat row 3, 4, and 5 again, as long as you want. Make it as big as you want. So it's really simple. It's just repeating 3 rows over and over. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you can understand me and my craziness. I would love to see anything that you design with this stitch. Please join our Facebook group, Regina P. Designs Official Group on Facebook, and show off what you create with this stitch to everyone on there. And if you have any questions, please join and ask anything there. That's why I made the page, so I can help anybody who needs help. Please like and subscribe to this video so that you can get notifications when I upload new videos. And I will try to come up with some other stuff to make videos for you. Have a good day, all.